Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanyak. Today we need to talk about something very serious and heartbreaking that happened in Torit, eastern Equatoria State in South Sudan. On Monday, a teenage boy tragically died under unclear circumstances while in police custody, according to community members. This boy, whose name has not yet been made public, was reportedly taken from his family home at around 4 a.m. They claim he was brought to the governor's residence where he was tortured to death before being handed over to the police. That is a shocking and disturbing allegation. But the government is denying any responsibility. The State Minister of Information and Communication, Elias Alhaji, said the boy was arrested by police working under the Torit mayor office during a crackdown on young gangs locally referred to as niggers. According to Alhaji, there is no reliable information to confirm the boy was beaten while in custody. He said the police turned it over a group of youths to the station, and unfortunately one of them died. The cause of death is still unknown and post-mortem is being carried out. Meanwhile, the situation has sparked public outrage. Protesters stormed the police station and even the mortuary where the body is being held. Police had to fire warning shots to disperse the angry crowd. The government is now calling for calm as investigation continues, but many in the community are demanding justice and transparency. Let me say this clearly: every life matters. The youth, whether in gang or not, deserve due process, not torture or death behind closed doors. If someone dies in the hand of those who are supposed to protect us, that must be investigated seriously and honestly. We will be following this story closely, and I will keep you all updated as we learn more. Please like, share, and leave your thought in the comment below. What do you think should happen next? Should the governor office be investigated? Is justice still possible for this young boy in South Sudan? Stay informed, stay strong, and speak up when something is not right.